Alright guys, so you guys know that we brought in our cousin Art a couple of weeks ago, and for those couple of weeks that he's been working with us, we've noticed that he pays good attention to detail. So as of today, we decided to make him an official member of the team. So Art, we even made him a shirt that says Art, his name on it, so made him official.
Is that right? You're not a guest anymore?
I'm not a guest anymore.
So you're here?
I'm here to stay.
Oh my
I just
God.
want to say thank you for you guys for inviting me to be part of their team. And I'm just going to say that I'm going to keep working hard for all of you.
Okay,
Alright,
so
for now, we're just gonna get started with the truck.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna get started with the truck. It's an S-10. We like the color. When we Raptor, it's gonna look like a velvet color, and it's gonna look really good. So we're gonna start working on it, and we're gonna get this truck back on the road.
So you guys already know, the first thing we're gonna do is start sanding, and looks like it has about a couple of body work that we need to fix up, but nothing too tough. So let's get to it, guys.
where's Art?
So,
Oh, okay. You know what? Maybe. All right, here we go.
Alright. You already know the drill. We're gonna start sanding now. I'm just gonna get ready to do this side. Couple's gonna do that side. So you guys already know. Let's get to it.
So we're pretty much done with the vehicle. Oh, not pretty much done, but we're done with the sanding part and the body work. We did it in one day. Tomorrow we're gonna come back. We're gonna start taping, cleaning it, and shooting the Raptor. We're gonna finish this truck in 2 days, guys. So
So guys, stay tuned for that, and thank you for the support. Like, subscribe.
like and subscribe.